Hello everyone, welcome to Understanding Statistics. I'm Mark Anthony Contreras, and today we'll embark on a journey to explore the fascinating world of statistics. Introduction. Everyone, today we're delving into the world of statistics. Statistics at its core is the science of collecting, analyzing, and interpreting and presenting data. It's not just about numbers, it's about uncovering insights that shape our understanding of the world. Throughout this presentation, we'll explore the fundamentals concept of statistics, its major fields, and its practical application across diverse domains. By the end, I hope you'll gain a deeper appreciation for the role of statistics in our lives. So, what is statistics? Statistics is a mathematical body of science that pertains to the collection, analysis, interpretation, or explanation and presentation of data. Or as a branch of mathematics, some consider statistics to be a distinct mathematical science rather than a branch of mathematics. So, statistics is a powerful tool for analyzing data and making informed decisions. It encompasses descriptive and inferential methods, including data visualization, probability theory, hypothesis testing, and regression analysis. Statistical techniques help us understand patterns, quantify uncertainty, and draw meaningful conclusions from data. With the aid of statistical software, we can efficiently analyze large datasets and extract valuable insights to address real-world problems. Next is the two types of major fields in statistics. There are two types, the descriptive statistic and inferential statistic. First, descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics refers to a branch of statistics that involves summarizing, organizing, and presenting data meaningfully and consistently. Descriptive statistics, they provide simple and straightforward information about the central tendency, variability, and distribution of the data. Descriptive statistics help us understand the basic features of our data, such as average, ranges, and frequencies. They are essentials for organizing and interpreting data in a meaningful way, allowing us to draw preliminary insights and identify patterns within the dataset. Next is inferential statistics. Inferential statistics use measurements from the sample of subjects in the experiment to compare the treatment groups and make generalizations about the larger population of subjects. Meaning, inferential statistics go beyond simple description and enable us to make inferences or prediction about a larger population based on a sample of data. These methods allows us to draw conclusions about characteristics of the populations, such as means, proportions, or relationships between variables. Using statistical techniques such, such as hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, and regression analysis. Inferential statistics helps us generalize findings from a sample to a larger population, providing insights that can inform decision-making, research, and policy development. Next, moving on to the types of data. There are four types of data: nominal data, ordinal, interval, and ratio data. First is nominal data. a variable used to associate each data point in a set of observations or in a particular instance to a certain qualitative category is a categorical variable. For example, next is ordinal data. Represents categories with a natural order or ranking, but the differences between categories are not precisely measurable. For example, next is interval data. Interval data represents quantities where the difference between two values is meaningful and consistent, but there is no true zero point. Next is ratio data. Ratio data is similar to interval data but has a true zero point, allowing for meaningful ratios to be calculated. Examples of data. First is nominal data. Nominal data are used to classify observations into distinct categories while they lack numerical value. They are essential for organizing and categorizing information. In statistical analysis, nominal data are often analyzed using frequency counts and proportion. Understanding nominal data helps us classify and organize information effectively, providing valuable insights into categorical relationships. Next is ordinal data. So here is the example of ordinal data. Ordinal data allow us to rank observation based on their attributes or characteristics. While the intervals between categories may not be equal, ordinal data provide valuable information about relative differences or preferences. In statistical analysis, ordinal data are often analyzed using ranks or ordinal scales. Understanding of ordinal data helps us interpret rankings and make comparisons based on ordered categories. Next is interval data. Here is example of interval data. Celsius and Fahrenheit scales are perfect example of interval data. Interval data allow for meaningful comparisons and calculation of difference between values. However, they do not have a true zero point, meaning ratios cannot be calculated. In statistical analysis, interval data are often analyzed using measures of central tendency and dispersion. Understanding interval data helps us interpret difference between values and make meaningful comparisons over time or across groups. And lastly, ratio data. Ratio data can include variables like income, height, weight, annual sales, market share, product defect rates, time to repurchase, unemployment rate, and crime rate. Ra- ratio data Ratio data enable us to calculate meaningful ratios such as proportion and percentage. They allow for more precise comparison and calculation than interval data. In statistical analysis, ratio data are often analyzed using arithmetic operation and ratios. Understanding ratio data helps us make meaningful comparisons, calculate proportion accurately, and interpret numerical relationships effectively. Conclusion. As we conclude our journey through the basics of statistics, it's essential to reflect on the significance of this field. Statistics isn't just about numbers. It's about empowering individuals and organizations to make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and drive positive change. By understanding the fundamental concept of statistics, its major fields, and its practical application, we equip ourselves with valuable tools for navigating an increasingly data-driven world. Whether you're a scientist, a business leader, or policymaker, statistical literacy is a skill that can open doors and unlock new opportunities. Thank you for joining me This exploration of statistics, I hope you gain insight that will stay with you as you continue your journey in learning and discovery. Thank you.